Hello, everyone. My name is Marek, founder and CEO of Vestberry. And today I'm excited to walk you through a seamless way to automate your portfolio performance reviews using ChatGPT, Vestberry, Slack, Calendly, and Gmail. Because as a VC, staying updated on your portfolio and promptly offering support is crucial. In this demo, we are leveraging a great tool called Make, which integrates with thousands of different applications. It's something similar to Zapier. However, I like this a little bit more due to its ease of use and great user experience. So let's dive into how this recurring task can be automated. So our workflow starts with our application, Vestberry. Vestberry is a portfolio intelligence tool built for VCs. Our tool automates KPI collection or calculates different performance metrics such as IRRs and multiples. And you can use this data to streamline your reporting or do more advanced data analysis. So you can actually select the different parameters and data points from Raspberry. And on a monthly basis, it pulls the data into ChatGPT by OpenAI, and it summarizes the update and creates a digestible message. As the prompt creates this message, it then sends the message into Slack. So on a monthly basis, into a selected channel of your preference, you get an update about your portfolio companies you're responsible for. This is where the workflow can end if everything is fine and you're okay with the update. However, if you want to engage with the company, the workflow can continue. So in this use case, we prepared a workflow that upon a reaction, so could be an emoji, the workflow continues. So upon reaction, the workflow continues. It creates a new message by ChatGPT, which builds up an email. It also seamlessly, at the same time, creates a Calendly link, which is inserted into the email, and then automatically by Gmail or other email provider, such as Outlook. It's really up to you how you set this up. It pushes the email into the portfolio company, and they can schedule a call via Calendly with you. As the message is sent out, again, is you get a confirmation message into your Slack. So let's take a look how this workflow runs. So let's turn it on. And yeah, you can see the process. It's pulling the data, pairing with portfolio companies, ChatGPT is creating an update, and it's sent to Slack. Now this is where it ended, so we can go back to Slack. We can see that I got a new message about the Fetch Robotics. The metrics I selected were the cost or the IRR, but these could be KPIs. This is really up to you. And I actually want to know more about this company. I'm actually pretty worried about the performance. So I select emoji, which is a question mark, so I want to learn more. I simply hit it here. And now, as the workflow runs every 15 minutes, we need to wait that time until it continues the workflow. Okay, and now we can see that the workflow continued, and there was an email created and a Slack message confirming that the email has been sent. So now let's check how it looks on my Gmail. Oh, so I have an email here, which is inviting me to our quarterly meeting with a link in Calendly and a proposed agenda. And the last step is a Slack notification that the email has been sent. So going back here, we can see that I got the confirmation upon reacting with emoji and sending an email. I again received this message in Slack. So this concludes this workflow. Of course, there can be plenty of different options how to set up this workflow. There's thousands of applications available in Make. This is one to have regular portfolio performance reviews with your portfolio companies. So thanks a lot for your attention. And if you would like to learn more about these automations, about Vestberry, we are providing a free consultation where we want to hear how you operate and what parts of the workflows can be automated, either using our system or the applications here. So thank you very much.